how to make leather when the world's already gone to hell. Rawhide? That's just wrapping yourself in rusty barbed wire. What you'll need, the hide of whatever you manage to bring down. Deer, elk, maybe even a stray cow if you're lucky. No fancy chemicals, just tree bark, dry leaves, a weird stone fungus, and a fire that still burns. Step 1. Boil oak or pine bark in a rusty pot until the water turns dark as an old factory pond. Cool it. Soak the hide until it's the color of overbaked bread. Step 2. Scrape off fat, meat, and hair. Rub it with the fungus so it won't rot or stink. Step 3. Hang it near the fire. Let the smoke fill every pore and toughen it up. Step 4. Stretch it, bend it, work it until it's soft, like those old gloves you wish you still had. That's it. You've made leather the way the first humans did. Only now, it's the difference between freezing and making it through one more winter at the end of the world.